Hello, welcome to apartment number 14 at 63 Fellsway West. When you walk in through the door, here's the main entrance. It brings you right to the studio room, bedroom, living room. As you can see, I have a big desk here that I keep. Got room for a television and a queen size bed. Pardon the loud motorcycle. There's another nightstand over on the other side there too, so plenty of room. There is also a big closet here. I've got a bunch of stuff in there right now. I'm very sorry, but it holds all the stuff. It's very big. It goes back pretty deep and with shelving on the top too. To the right of the entrance is a big closet where I keep my coats, Christmas stuff, anything you want. It goes back very far. Plenty of room there. Then the bathroom is here. Cozy little bathroom. Got room for a whole shelf. The shower is here. And the sink, the little medicine cabinet, and the toilet. Alright. And then walking through the large room, we come to the kitchen. The kitchen's got a little sliding door here too if you need. There's room for seating or storage or anything. That's what I do with it. Plenty of room for shelves to put in. And it goes all the way down this deep hallway here where you've got plenty of counter space, fridge space. The fridge is a nice personal size fridge. The sink goes very deep. As you can see, I've got a bunch of dishes in there. There's a little bit of storage on the other side of the fridge and underneath the sink. So, yep, that's apartment 14 at 63 Fellsway. Hope you enjoyed.